Alright, so just want to give a quick tutorial on Firefox on how to stop it from asking to save your password. For myself, I use a password manager and I don't want it to try to keep track of my passwords as well. So I'm on a local dev website here and I'm just going to do an example of what I'm telling you about, and pretty much this is it. So I've typed in my password and it's saying, hey, do you want to save this? And absolutely not. I don't want you to save that. So what we're going to do is we are going to go to our settings. So you're going to hit the hamburger menu over here. Then you're going to click on options. From options, we're going to click on the privacy and security. And then you're going to scroll down to logins and passwords. Now it says ask to save logins and passwords for websites. We're just going to check that box. Now it is not going to prompt us to save the password. You don't need to save it. It automatically saves when you check the box. So now we can close this. Now when I log into the website again, we will see that I am not prompted to save my password again. Ta-da! Hopefully this was helpful for you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. And if you have questions or things that you would like help with, please let me know so I can create a video just for you. Until I see you next time, have a great day.